Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I know it's Dams.
And Nats.
Here at another video for you guys. Guys, we're all dressed up today, as you guys can see. Nats is glowing. We're actually on our way to meet the mayor of Grande Prairie. We have a meeting with her right now. We have a sit down with her and we are so excited that we got all dressed up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash that like button and drop a comment. Come along guys, see you guys when we're there.
I'm driving, you're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. This brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you.
Anderson, O-N or E-N?
O-N.
And you said 3 p.m.?
Yeah.
And then I will message them and let them know that you're coming.
Thank you. So these are the representatives.
I really enjoyed listening to you on the panel at Black History Month. My husband performed. I know I'll check with the mayor too, but yeah, go ahead, use it for your video and
Sweets.
we'll head over here into our cheese board
This
room.
is the first time we're coming into this building.
Oh,
actually.
really?
Yeah.
Perfect. The mayor will just be with you guys in a second.
Okay.
Got some water, but would you guys like coffee, tea?
That's okay.
I think we have juice boxes.
That's
Make
okay.
yourselves comfortable and I'll bring the mayor in when she's ready.
Thank you. Yes, guys. So we're just coming from the meeting with the mayor. We were not able to film, but we did take some selfie for proof. She right here, sir. So tell me, Miss Natasha Anderson, how do you feel having met the mayor of Grande Prairie?
I feel like me rich.
Mom, we made it. We made it. We made it in life. And of course, I'm sure the mayor is going to be watching this video. I just want to say thank you for taking the time out to chat with us. And I'm looking forward to seeing you again very soon. Yeah, being the mayor must be hard work.
Yeah.
You think?
It's true. It would appear like it's hard work.
Can't be harder than being a banker. That's the stressfulest job in the world, boy. But all in all, it was a good experience, guys. We got to sit down. We got to talk about some stuff and possible collaborations coming up in the future. So be sure, guys, to subscribe to our channel. Hold on.
Wow.
What's up? Yeah. Be sure to subscribe, like, share, and comment. All right, guys. See you guys on the road.
Say you think about me because I'm starting to doubt we will find our way back to each other when you're on the other side of the world. I'm here and I'm waiting, but I know I can't say that we didn't end it for good reason. Still I'm hoping we'll be meeting soon. Everybody needs some time to figure themselves out, but I want you close and I still
Yes, guys, so we're now at the library. Apparently, there's a gift for us at the library. Hopefully, it's a surprise because we don't know what it is. Not say it's a good surprise. Think so? Where are we going? No idea. Let's do it. Oh? I don't think I've ever been to this side of the library before. So you have the computers and stuff. Okay. Grande Prairie Public Library. Francophone months.
When you donate books, you get tax return, like tax receipts.
What's that?
When you donate books, you're able to get a tax receipts.
Is that so?
Yeah.
Donate, get tax receipt, get bigger tax return. I did not know that. You know, every book I donate and yeah. Gotcha. Hello.
Let me know that you picked it up today.
Sign your life away. We were not expecting this actually. This is a beautiful surprise.
Yeah, I know. It was really
Wow.
nice that we got that funding from the government and we were able to just kind of give a bit back. So
Sweet.
we really appreciated you coming and doing the panel. It was great.
Well, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. Hopefully see you again next year.
Absolutely. Thank you. You want to know what it is? Yeah. So the other day we participated in a Black History Month event, guys. If you haven't seen that video, go and check it out. So we just got a gift for our participation. We were not expecting anything, but we did get something. Now, not said is money, and me and Ronaldo says a $30 Starbucks gift card. She don't know what we got yet.
don't know.
But guys, we got $200. Yeah. We got. So now, because I'm a bet, that's $500. I'm now in negative $400. Yeah, this is amazing. Wow. Thank you, City of Grande Prairie. I forgot what you wrote. So all of this was done throughout my lunch break. So now I'm going back to work. Nats, you're done working for the day?
Yes, I'm finished. I am finished.
So how do you feel now that you're $100 richer? Big bucks. Big bucks.
It feels good. I didn't expect it. So
Is there anybody else
appreciate
in Grande
it.
Prairie having an event and would want somebody to come and speak? We're available. We are available, guys. Just in case you guys are having an event and you want the Andersons to come, we're open to taking other honorariums. Are you not?
I am.
Thank you guys so much. Really
nice.
appreciate it.
Never
That's really, really
expected
nice.
it, but
Big up to the organizers of the event. We really enjoyed the event actually. I think the event was really good.
It was. Next year.
Next year
I think
again.
next year.
We're available next year again, guys.
Next year is gonna be bigger and better.
Bigger and better.
Yeah.
Of course. Of course. Back to work. What am I doing? Let's go back over here. Yes guys, so officially the end of the day right now. Currently driving to go and pick up Malia. Let's spend the rest of the day with me at work. That made the time fly by. Thank you, babes.
You're welcome.
Yeah, it's now 5 o'clock in the afternoon. We're gonna go and pick up our child from their home you guys, if you haven't been watching our videos, go and check out previous video. We talk about even childcare here in Alberta, what it is like, why we choose a day home from a daycare center, and all of those lovely information. Also, if you're watching the vlog all the way to this point and you haven't subscribed us yet, what are you waiting on? How are we doing? Hit that subscribe button, it really helps us out. Smash a like on the video and drop a comment. It's a beautiful day outside, guys. Beautiful day. Winter is finally coming to an end, knock on wood, and we're not complaining. See you guys on the flip side. On the other side.
Oh my gosh. So much water. Sit.
Hey Malia, are you okay?
Child face.
Sorry, we're just coming. We reached really late today.
Yes, baby.
We're sorry. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
How was your day? Had fun? Okay, ready to go home? See sister? Give the vlog a kiss. Give the vlog a kiss. Good job. Yes guys, so now we're at one of the most expensive supermarkets in Grande Prairie. Can you guess where we're at? Drop it in the comment section where you think we guys are at if you're from Grande Prairie. Where's the most expensive supermarket? Where do you guys think we are at? See the what? Are you gonna see the sign? Okay. Yeah, so we're just grabbing a few stuff. Milk? Grabbing a few stuff on our way home. Malia, as you're driving the cart, say hi, Malia. Say what, milk? You want the lactose one or the
That was cool mix.
2 mix? 3%? Okay. Let's see if they got any Pediasure. Can push the cart, boots. I think it's not that one. This one. This one. This is my favorite snack, guys. I have it once in a while when I want to treat myself. That and Tastillos, but everyone likes Tastillos now. Oh boy. Okay, here we go, babes. Just two. Can't remember buy that one earlier. Guys, you don't know sorry for it? Oh my gosh, man. Pediasure is like, it's like burning a hole in our pocket, guys. Help us, subscribe. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video all the way to the end. Hopefully you guys see fit to subscribe, like, share, and comment. We'll clock off right here, guys. See you guys in the next video.
Bye.